If you're anything like me, you need help getting estimates out the door in a timely manner, and you also need help making sure that you're making money this spring. That's why I want to walk you through building an estimate start to finish inside of LMN today. This is going to be a hands-on virtual walkthrough of me doing it here, showing you exactly what the process looks like. So maybe if you're the one that's like, hey, am I making money? Or hey, I have so much work coming in, I can't get it out. I can't get it out fast enough. This is a way that we're going to be able to help streamline those operations for you and also make sure that you're making the profit you need. You're charging what you need to recover all of your overhead. Make sure your guys are getting built out at a profitable man-hour rate, and all of your equipment is also be accounted for and recovered as well. So I don't want to waste your time. Let's hop in and show you really quickly what it looks like to build an estimate inside of LMN. Let's pop in. So here we go. Let's rock over here to our account. And so this is what we have right here. We have on the Estimates tab, I'm not going to show anything else because I don't want to give any stuff away. But we're going to go right here. So this is just on the Estimate tab on your LMN account. And then right here is click New Estimate. And this is where we're going to go from here. So what we're going to do for now is we're going to do a service estimate. So this is a lawn maintenance estimate. We're going to click into this, and we're going to make a new client. So we're going to just do Joe Smith. And we're just going to do this really quickly and keep on rocking. But this is what you got to do every time, so it's not hard. You just rock in like this, punch some stuff in. We'll go 205, and then we'll just do abc@gmail.com. And then we'll just do 1234 Oak Street, just for kicks and giggles. So now that that is done, let me move this screen over here out of the way and pop into this estimate. So we have this built here. What we're going to do is we're going to select a division. We're going to do lawn maintenance for this, and there we go. So now we are set up and ready to go. If you have different salespeople, you can tie that to them. Your estimator as well. This is your project name, so this is what's going to show up, and then we're going to go to create. So when you go into create, we're going to go right here to services and pricing. So right here, well, this is your first thing. You want to make sure you are collecting your referral source. So wherever this came from, put it here. We're going to say this one's from Facebook. And then we're ready to start building. So services and pricing. We're going to go here to add service. And I'm going to show you the really quick way to do this. So this is all your services. Get these in here when you build your account. Click on maintenance. We're going to do a per visit price. And we're going to do our cost code of maintenance right here. And then we're going to click through these. So boom, here we go. We're ready to rock and roll, right? Let's go down here to add to items and templates. We have templates built for this. So you build a template, it's really quick. Come over here to lawn maintenance estimate right here. And bada bing, bada boom. Click off of this. So this is all we need typically on a lawn maintenance estimate for us. We just need our maintenance team member, we need our maintenance crew lead, and we need our box truck with the equipment in it. So this is what we're billing out per man hour rate right now. $80 for a team member, $108 for a crew lead, and $35 an hour to recover our box truck and the equipment inside of it. So we're going to say this is going to take us half an hour for each. So we're going to have a total of one. The yard's going to take us half an hour. It's going to take 30 minutes. So we're going to say with two guys there, we're going to have 0.5 apiece. That's 1 man hour. We're going to change this down to 0.5. Boom. So here we go. This is set at an 18% profit. I have to charge $112, and I have to do it in 30 minutes to make this profit. If you want to change it, you can come over here, customize the per visit price or the season price, or you can come right here and you can say, you know what, I want to make 21% profit, and it's going to automatically update that for you. It's going to override and see. So now we're up to 116. So this is it. From here, you just go in here and put your, let me save these changes really quickly, because like I said, I want to show you start to finish. Come right here, go to client notes. This is going to be where you put your description. So this is our template, remember. This goes in here every single time. This is our schedule. And then if you have terms and conditions, you can put those in here as well. So this is just the sample LMN has. You can delete these and put your own. And then from here, all you got to do is run over. So you can also go to analysis right in this estimate, and it's going to show you what revenue per hour you're making. So this is set at, if this was done correctly, we'd be making $116 per man hour if we did this the right way. So that's a little low, but for maintenance, that's not that bad. Design build, you want to be over 150. That's what we're shooting for at least. So 116 bucks a man hour here. You just go to print reports, select the report, select service proposal, just say lawn maintenance estimate, and then we're going to click preview. And from here, it's going to show you what it looks like. So here we go. Everything's in here, right? This is our terms and conditions. And then we're just going to click publish email. And then it is going to head out the door after we approve it. So here we go. We come into here, select the customer, have your note here. You can customize this if you want to, and then just press email and publish. So it's that simple. That is how we go about building an estimate inside of LMN. So I hope that helped. 4 or 5 minutes there just to show you how to do that. We may do another one down the road on design build work. If you want help with that or anything, reach out and let me know. We'll show some of that side of things. But if you're on the fence about LMN, guys, I want to help you any way that I can. Use code Jeremiah on sign up. If you do go sign up today, use code Jeremiah, save you 10% on the software there, and also just some discounts on the Growth Accelerator program. So I want to help you any way that I can, code, no code, whatever. Get a software that's helping you budget and estimate. See, like that software, now obviously the setup process, right? You build your budget, but that software is telling me exactly what I need to charge every single minute I'm on the job. So I just want to make sure that you guys are making the money you want to make and you're growing your business every single day. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, let me know you enjoyed it. We'll do some more of these, and y'all have a great rest of the day, and go sign up for LMN if you are on the fence.